Welcome back to where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of two wheels. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a tech geek, or someone who just loves the freedom of the open road, you're in the right place. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about, the 2026 Honda CB1000R XD. Honda has gone all in with this new iteration of their beloved Neo Sports cafe machine, and it's packed with innovation, power, and attitude. So buckle up, grab your helmet, and let's dive deep into what makes the 2026 CB1000R XD one of the most exciting naked bikes of the year. Main script body 2800 words. Let's start with the design, because let's be honest, looks matter, especially when you're buying a naked Streetfighter. The 2026 Honda CB1000R XD continues the Neo Sports cafe design language, but pushes it even further. You still get that muscular stance, the minimalist headlight housing, and exposed metal finishes, but now there's a sharper edge to it. The front LED headlamp is more aggressive, sitting under a redesigned cowl that adds to its predator-like face. The fuel tank has been sculpted for more muscular lines, with air intakes now integrated for better performance and styling. Honda's choice of materials has also stepped up. You'll find more brushed aluminum, a matte black frame finish, and color-matched radiator shrouds that look straight out of a concept bike. The 2026 XD model brings a darker theme overall, with stealthy paint options like Shadow Titanium, Midnight Gray, and a limited edition Candy Red with black chrome accents. It's all about attitude, and this bike delivers it in spades. Now let's talk about performance, because the heart of any naked bike is its engine, and Honda hasn't held back here. The 2026 CB1000R XD comes with a newly refined 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 derived from the legendary CBR 1000RR platform. Honda claims they've improved mid-range torque while maintaining that exhilarating top-end rush. Peak horsepower is rated at 145 horsepower at 10,500 RPM and 104 Nm of torque at 8,200 RPM. More than enough to launch you ahead of traffic, carve up a canyon, or even embarrass a few supersport bikes at your local track day. The suspension setup on the 2026 XD model is impressive. Up front, you've got a fully adjustable Showa separate function big piston fork, SFFBP, and at the rear, a Showa balance free rear cushion. Both ends offer a plush yet controlled ride, ideal for both aggressive road riding and occasional touring. Honda has clearly focused on creating a balance between comfort and performance. Braking duties are handled by dual radial-mounted 310mm discs up front with 4-piston Takako calipers, and a single 256mm disc at the rear. ABS is standard, but now it's lean-sensitive thanks to a new 6-axis IMU. This also feeds data into the traction control and wheelie control systems, making the CB1000R XD one of the most technologically advanced naked bikes in its class. Speaking of tech, the cockpit is where the 2026 CB1000R XD really shines. You get a brand new 5.5-inch full-color TFT display, with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, music and call control, and even Honda RideLink compatibility. With RideLink, you can track your bike, review your ride data, and even get maintenance alerts directly on your smartphone. The switchgear has been refined to be more intuitive, with a joystick-style controller for navigating the menus. You also get full LED lighting all around, self-canceling indicators, and an emergency stop signal system that flashes the hazards under hard braking. Honda has even added a USB-C port under the seat for charging your devices, and an optional tank-mounted wireless charger that connects to the bike's onboard power system. Small touches like these go a long way, especially for riders who spend a lot of time commuting or traveling. Now let's talk about ergonomics and comfort, areas where many naked bikes often compromise. Honda has redesigned the seat on the 2026 CB1000R XD for improved cushioning and support. The rider triangle is still sporty, but the handlebars are now slightly raised and angled back for a more relaxed posture. The seat height is a manageable 830mm, which will be accessible to most riders. Passenger comfort has also seen improvements, with a new rear seat pad and slightly lower set pegs to reduce fatigue. Of course, if you're riding solo and want to maximize style, Honda offers a color-matched rear seat cowl as an accessory. Fuel capacity remains at 16.2 liters, and with the improved fuel injection system and better combustion efficiency, Real-world range is expected to be in the ballpark of 250 to 280 kilometers, depending on riding style. Honda has managed to slightly reduce overall emissions as well, making the 2026 CB1000R XD Euro 6 compliant. Another cool feature on this new model is the keyless ignition system. You just walk up, press the starter button, and go. No more fumbling with keys. There's even a proximity sensor for the underseat lock and fuel cap, adding both convenience and security. Now, for those wondering if Honda offers customization options, absolutely. Honda has rolled out a whole new line of factory accessories for the CB1000R XD. These include carbon fiber body panels, performance exhaust systems co-developed with Akrapovic, bar-end mirrors, billet foot pegs, smoked windscreens, and a full line of soft and hard luggage options. You can turn your CB1000R XD into a weekend tourer, a track-ready beast, or a sleek cafe racer with just a few bolt-ons. In terms of competition, the 2026 Honda CB1000R XD finds itself up against some heavy hitters, like the Yamaha MT-10, the Suzuki GSX S1000, the KTM 1290 Super Duke R, and even the Ducati Monster. But what sets the Honda apart is its balance. It's not the most powerful, nor the lightest, but it offers an incredible blend of usable power, premium features, reliability, and everyday comfort, all at a price point that undercuts many of its rivals. Speaking of price, Honda has announced that the 2026 CB1000R XD will start at approximately $13,999 USD, with special edition trims going up to $15,499. Considering the level of tech, performance, and build quality you're getting, that's a seriously competitive deal. So who is this bike for? If you're an experienced rider looking for a machine that can handle daily commutes, spirited weekend rides, and occasional touring, all while turning heads wherever you go, the 2026 Honda CB1000R XD should be on your radar. It's mature, refined, aggressive, and dripping with Honda's signature quality. It's not trying to be the flashiest or the fastest, but rather the most complete and satisfying package in the modern naked sport bike category. Whether you're upgrading from a middleweight, coming from a full-fared supersport, or just want something with serious style and street credibility, this bike delivers in every area that matters. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Honda CB1000R XD. What do you think? Is this the perfect evolution of Honda's naked Streetfighter formula, or were you expecting something different? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, first looks, and moto content from around the world. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.